What I have here is a 1973 Apollo, aka Chevy Nova, Pontiac Ventura, Oldsmobile Omega, all the same family. Today on Three Wheels on a Block, we're going to be fitting this 1967 to 69 Camaro Cowl hood on a Chevy Nova. Picked up this cowl hood on Marketplace. Had a little imperfection, I think. Must have got damaged during shipping or something like that. There's a dent there and a dent right there. And I've got another hood. Let me show you this one right quick. This is a cowl hood that I also picked up on Marketplace for the Misfit. Oh, look at that. As you can see, it's cracked up here. This is a fiberglass cowl. Very flimsy. You can see it flexing there. The body works real shoddy. But the hood's in decent shape. So I'm going to take the skin off of this hood and replace it with the skin that's on this Camaro hood. This is a steel cowl hood. Actually a functional type cowl hood. Yep. See that there? So it should be a pretty simple job. Of course, nothing's ever easy, but simple enough. So one reason I do like this hood is it has a nice little alcove there as part of the Camaro feature. And I swapped out this wiper cowl for one from a Pontiac Ventura I found in the junkyard a couple years back, because the Buick one that I had was rusted through all along the top. This is in good shape, but it also has a little alcove here and there. So nice little dual feature there. I think that'll be pretty sweet, even though it's partially hidden by the cowl, but you know, depending on what angle it's at, you'll be able to pick it up. So just so you know, if you do try to fit one of these Camaro hoods to a Nova, aside from the fact that the Camaro's got an extended nose, so it doesn't match up at the front, it's also more narrow than the Nova. You see the gap here and the gap here, but at the back it's actually pretty close. So just a little tidbit information if you wondered what a Camaro hood looks like on a Nova. That's what it looks like. Alright, enough of me yabbing. I'm going to yank this thing off and we'll go ahead and get on the stand and start chopping and welding and making these two become one. Got the hoods sitting beside each other. Nova, Camaro. Got a mini Camaro cowl hood. So the preliminary fit looks good. Tacked in place. I got a lot of grinding and finish welding to do on all these little spots. However, the hood is up. It's mounted. The cowl's there. Added some bracing up there at the top. I think I showed you guys that. Got a little extra work to do around here. But she does open and close like I was hoping she would. And I was able to retain this feature, which goes with this feature. It's kind of hard to see on that yellow piece, but it's there. So I'm gonna get back to grinding and filling all these holes. And I'll bring you guys back up here in a bit. We got her sealed up. She looks pretty decent. Got a bit more filler work to do on the top of the skin to get some wrinkles and stuff out of there, but that at least gets everything sealed up for the time being. I did this with the Mark 1. That's Speedacoat 2K high build primer right there. This is a 1969 Chevy Camaro hood molded into a 1968-72 Nova hood. My name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels on the Block. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to check out the other videos on the Misfit. We'll see you next time.